Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we have seen the general equation of conic sections in polar form, which was R equals KE divided by 1 plus E cosine of theta. So for this equation, we have a conic section which has focus at the pole and which has directrix at K. So the equation of the directrix is x equals K. And if we have a negative sign here, we have a conic section like this one here. So we have a focus here and we have the directrix at x equals minus k. But there are other two possibilities where we have r equals k divided by 1 plus minus e sine of theta. For this type of conic sections, the conic section is either opening upward. So we have a directrix. This is our directrix. So it has an equation like y equals minus k. And when we have a positive sign here, we have this conic section which has the directrix here. So at y equals k. So these are the four possibilities of our polar equations of conic sections. Now we want to solve some specific examples where we are given an equation of conic section in polar form. So we have r equals 12 divided by 4 plus 5 cosine of theta. Now we want to identify the type of conic sections. But before doing this, we want to compare these two equations. But this equation has a 1 in the denominator. So to make this term 1, we need to divide both the numerator and denominator by 4. So we will have 3 here and 1 plus 5 divided by 4 cos of theta here. Now this is our E and this is KE. So E is 5 by 4, which is greater than 1. When eccentricity is greater than 1, we have a hyperbola. So this is an equation of hyperbola in polar form. Now as k into E, so k into 5 by 4 equals 3. So k equals 12 divided by 4. And the directrix is, so the directrix is x equals k or x equals 12 by 5. Now let's take another example. So we have r equals 7 divided by 2 minus 2 sine of theta. Dividing by 2, we have 7 by 2 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 1 minus sine of theta. So here equals 1. So it's a parabola and k equals 7 by 2. But as we have a negative sign here, our directrix will be y equals minus 7 by 2. So this is all for this example. But when we have a positive sign, we have a positive value in the equation of directrix, and when we have a negative sign, we have a negative value in the equation of directrix. And the type of the conic section will be according to the E value or the value of the eccentricity.